Life is a journey filled with opportunities, challenges, and choices. The ability to focus on what truly matters determines the level of success, happiness, and fulfillment one experiences. In an age of constant distractions, achieving and maintaining focus is more critical than ever. Whether it's personal growth, career advancement, relationships, or health, directing energy toward meaningful goals can transform one's life. This essay explores the importance of focus, strategies for improving it, and how a well-defined life focus can lead to success and fulfillment. The importance of focus in life. Clarity and purpose. Without focus, life can feel aimless. A clear sense of purpose allows individuals to set goals and work toward them with determination. People who lack focus often drift through life without a clear destination, leading to frustration and a lack of achievement. Focusing on a purpose helps answer fundamental questions. What do I want to achieve in life? What brings me fulfillment? How can I contribute to the world meaningfully? When individuals identify their core values and passions, they can direct their time and energy toward pursuits that align with their purpose. Maximizing productivity. Focus enhances productivity by eliminating distractions and improving efficiency. People who concentrate on their priorities achieve more in less time. Productivity isn't about being busy but about making progress on important goals. Successful individuals prioritize their tasks, set deadlines, and avoid distractions to maximize their productivity. This allows them to make continuous progress without feeling overwhelmed. Reducing stress and overwhelm. Lack of focus leads to stress. When individuals juggle multiple tasks without a clear direction, they feel overwhelmed. By focusing on a few essential areas, they can simplify their lives and reduce mental clutter. For example, instead of trying to do everything at once, focusing on one major goal at a time reduces anxiety and increases effectiveness. Building stronger relationships in personal and professional life. Focus strengthens relationships. Being present in conversations, actively listening, and giving undivided attention to loved ones fosters deeper connections. In contrast, distractions, such as constantly checking a phone during conversations, can weaken bonds. By focusing on meaningful relationships and investing time in them, individuals experience greater emotional fulfillment and social support. Achieving mastery and success. Success in any field requires deep focus. Whether in sports, arts, business, or science, the most accomplished individuals dedicate years of focused effort to their craft. Mastery requires sustained attention and deliberate practice over time. For example, athletes train daily, musicians practice for hours, and entrepreneurs dedicate themselves to their vision. Without focus, achieving excellence is nearly impossible. Strategies to improve focus in life. Define clear goals. To stay focused, individuals must define their goals clearly. Vague aspirations lead to confusion, whereas specific goals provide direction. A SMART goals framework: specific, clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable, establish criteria to track progress. Achievable, set realistic and attainable goals. Relevant, ensure goals align with values and long-term vision. Time-bound, set deadlines for accountability. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," a focused goal would be, "I will exercise for 30 minutes 5 times a week for the next 3 months." Eliminate distractions. Modern life is filled with distractions: social media, emails, phone notifications, and endless entertainment options. To maintain focus, individuals must take control of their environment. Practical tips: turn off notifications on devices. Set specific time blocks for checking emails and social media. Create a clutter-free workspace. Use productivity tools like the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutos of work, 5-minute breaks. Prioritize deep work, dedicated time for important tasks without interruptions. Develop a daily routine. A structured daily routine helps build discipline and focus. By allocating time for important activities, individuals reduce the likelihood of distractions. Elements of an effective routine: morning rituals, start the day with meditation, exercise, or reading. Time blocking, assign specific hours for work, learning, and relaxation. Evening wind down, reflect on the day, plan for tomorrow, and engage in calming activities. A consistent routine eliminates decision fatigue, allowing individuals to focus their mental energy on important tasks. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness trains the brain to stay present and focused. Meditation enhances concentration, reduces stress, and improves emotional control. Simple mindfulness practices. Focus on breathing for a few minutes each day. Practice deep listening in conversations. Engage in activities with full attention, e.g., eating without distractions. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can improve focus and mental clarity. Surround yourself with like-minded people. The people one interacts with influence focus and mindset. Being around driven, goal-oriented individuals fosters motivation and accountability. Ways to cultivate a positive network: join mastermind groups or professional organizations. Engage with mentors and role models. Avoid negative influences that drain energy and distract from goals. A strong support system provides encouragement, guidance, and motivation to stay focused. Prioritize health and well-being. Physical and mental health directly impact focus. Poor nutrition, lack of sleep, and inactivity reduce cognitive function and productivity. Key health habits for better focus: eat a balanced diet with brain-boosting foods, e.g., leafy greens, nuts, fish. Exercise regularly to enhance blood flow to the brain. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Stay hydrated to maintain mental clarity. When the body is healthy, the mind functions optimally, improving concentration and decision-making. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is the ability to stay committed to goals despite challenges. It requires resisting temptations and staying on track. Ways to strengthen discipline: set non-negotiable commitments, e.g., I will write for 30 minutos daily. Use the 5-second rule: take immediate action within 5 seconds of making a decision. Reward progress to reinforce positive habits. Discipline builds momentum, making it easier to maintain focus over time. Reflect and adjust regularly. Life is dynamic, and priorities may change. Regular self-reflection helps individuals stay aligned with their goals. Reflection practices: keep a journal to track progress and insights. Review goals weekly or monthly. Adjust strategies based on experiences and outcomes. Adapting to changing circumstances ensures continuous growth and improvement. The long-term benefits of focus: increased achievement. A focused individual accomplishes more over a lifetime. By concentrating on meaningful goals, they make significant progress and build a legacy. Greater peace of mind. Clarity and direction reduce stress. Focused individuals experience a sense of control over their lives, leading to greater inner peace. Stronger personal identity. A well-defined focus helps individuals understand who they are and what they stand for. This strengthens self-confidence and decision-making. Deeper fulfillment. Living with focus leads to a purposeful and fulfilling life. Instead of being distracted by trivial matters, individuals invest their time in what truly matters. Conclusion: life focus is essential for success, happiness, and fulfillment. By setting clear goals, eliminating distractions, and practicing discipline, individuals can achieve their full potential. In a world filled with distractions, those who cultivate focus gain a competitive edge in personal and professional life. Whether it's mastering a skill, building strong relationships, or achieving career success, focus is the key that unlocks extraordinary results. By making conscious choices, developing daily habits, and continuously refining their vision, individuals can create a life of purpose, clarity, and lasting success.